friends, myself Satyajit. Welcome to Metro News Lifeline of your city. I'm very nervous with you today because I'm getting to know very different and hilarious things. I don't know what's wrong with you guys. Have you lost your mind? I don't know what made you to do these things. I'm talking about the cruelty for the stray animals. I don't know why do you want to bully them or why do you want to always hit them? What problem do you have from them? Just tell me, like, why do you want to beat them, kill them, or why do you want to kill their babies? Yesterday midnight, I got text from one of my friend that someone from our apartment beaten this dog and that dog died. And early morning when I went for the morning walk, that time I saw from my eyes that one lady was beating up that dog just because that dog was in compound. I don't know why do you do such cruelty to the dogs. Do you know what is the provision in law for the cruelty of dogs? There will be a case against you. You will be behind the bar. In last week, one incident took place in Ahmednagar city. One of the police constable beaten the dog very badly, and the dog died because of him. FIR filed against him, and currently the case is going on against him. There are many social workers who are fighting for these stray animals. There are many trust NGOs. I don't know what's wrong with you guys. Why do you always want to bully these dogs? When you're riding, you just make sound of your foots. You just throw stones on them. I don't know. You make some weird sounds. You hit them with a bike. What's wrong with you? What's your problem exactly? I don't know. I'm telling you very clearly. See, start loving them. They will definitely love you. If you bully them, na, they will definitely give trouble to everyone. Each and everyone they will trouble. When you will went from their area, they'll definitely chase your vehicle then, and then you'll get hurt, and then you met with some accident, and then you make it a big issue. Like I met with accident because of just this dog, and then again next day or when again you get recovered, again you start bullying them. When you gonna stop all these things? There are many social workers I've seen, but sometimes there are threats also, are just threats. They are, I don't know what they want to show to the normal people. They are like, I'll file case against you, I'll call police. Unnecessarily they just show that we are dog lovers or we are fighting for these dogs. But somewhere there are genuine dog lovers also. Somewhere there are genuine people who are fighting for these dogs, and they are right on their part, because people like you are always beating those stray animals. I don't know why. And you know one thing, like in lockdown I have seen many videos and posts on Instagram, Facebook and social media, and other medias also. Like people are clicking photos while feeding the dogs, or like they are posting the videos while playing with that stray animal or while feeding them, and they are doing just publicity. It's a fake publicity. You are just trying to show that you are animal lover and you are very kind and you are doing something for that community, or as a part of this society you are feeding those stray animals because they will not get food in lockdown or other time. This is the fake publicity, I will say, because at the one side you do cruelty to them, at the one side you feed them and post photos on Instagram and Facebook. What is this nonsense? May I know, like, what exactly you want to represent or what exactly you want to show by posting such fake photos, I will say, because really you do not have any love for them or you do not have any feelings for these stray animals. You just want to show the society that you are doing something for this stray animal, and you just want to get sympathy from the people, or you just want to attract them towards you, and you want good likes and comments on that. That's it. This is the strategy which you follow, I know. But actually you have to be kind with these dogs. I know they bark on you, okay, I know unnecessarily sometimes they bark on you, but now these NGOs, these trusts are taking cognizance of that things too. There are many volunteers who are particularly assigned for the dogs which are in their areas, which are in their societies, or which are in their colony or roads. And now corporations and government is currently focusing on this issue very seriously. They are sterilizing all these animal and they are doing their vaccinations too. And only sterilizations can be done. You cannot beat them or you cannot kill them. Only sterilization is the solution of this thing. So contact the NGOs or volunteers near you who are specifically working for the stray animals. If you want any contacts or if you want any support for sterilizing them, or if you have any trouble, do contact me. And also I tell all the animals lovers and NGO and stray animal fighters here that if you meet with any incidents, if someone is unnecessarily or intentionally troubling those dogs or hurting those dogs, do contact me via Metro News. I'll definitely stand beside you. I'll fight for you. But stop doing such nonsense and stop hurting these stray animals. Everyone contacted me for bringing this issue in front of you, but in the beginning I thought this is not genuine issue, but now this is really serious issue. I checked many Instagram pages, many Google News, and even newspapers too, and I was just seeing a lot of news over there that dog beaten by lady, dog beaten by stick, dog beaten by iron rod, crackers were thrown on the dogs. Sometimes you literally have given the poison to those dogs. What is this nonsense? What exactly are they your enemies or you are their enemies? I don't know what's wrong with you. Why do you treat them like an enemy? Do love them, they will definitely love you back, I am sure, because in lockdown I was feeding these stray animals with my friends and my team, and that time, in first 2 days only I had a good bond with them, and on the third day they started coming to me, they started loving to me, they just loved me. So do love them, they will definitely love you, and stop hurting these animals, otherwise you will be liable for the punishment. And guys, I would like to tell you, those who are fighting for these stray animals, I am with you, I'll stand beside you in this moment. And I want everyone to bring this issue and to take this issue at a higher level. I want everyone to work for the stray animals. At least if you cannot work, don't hurt them at all, but be kind to these stray animals. Thank you.